Meanwhile, Committee on Tribal Unity (CoTU) has claimed that it had spearheaded the rescue efforts for 2 Meitei youths. In a video release, CoTU spokesperson Angie Loon Kipgen maintained that 3 youths from Imphal who had strayed into Kangpokpi area on September 27th were detained by Kuki village volunteers, and CoTU has played a major role in freeing these youths from Kuki village volunteers. While alleging valley-based local media and people in Imphal of maligning the effort of CoTU, Loon Kipgen said that CoTU has no involvement in the whole kidnapping incident. He claimed that CoTU successfully intervened in the release of one of the hostages on the same day itself. But Kuki volunteers had made some conditions for the release of other 2 hostages. Kuki volunteers demanded for the transfer of all jail inmates in Imphal to Churachandpur district. And second demand was for establishing a police station at Phaileng Mall area. Loon Kipgen said DGP Rajiv Singh, on the behest of Centre, was sent to negotiate, and later an amicable solution was worked out to ensure for the safe release of 2 Meitei youths. And as per the agreement, 11 jail inmates were delivered at Saparmaina Church compound. The CoTU spokesperson also accused Chief Minister of showing no interest in the negotiation. He said CoTU had to approach Centre for intervention, and DGP was sent on the behest of Centre.
We were able to release one person on the day itself. But however, for the other 2, our village volunteers made some condition, which it took us time, because the first discussion with the DGP of Manipur was on the 29th. But because of he being a DGP of a state, our negotiation could not materialize. First, the demand was the transfer of all jail inmates from Imphal to Kukijo dominated area, which is Churachandpur. And the second is establishment of police station at Phaileng Mall area. See, if the CM had cared for those 2 detained individuals, he would have acted. But sadly so, we requested the centre government to intervene. And finally, a DGP on the behest of this centre government made us possible to reach an amicable solution. Therefore, 2 youths were released today, and as per the agreement, 11 people who are the jail inmates have been received here at this church compound, Saparmaina.